It's time to answer the call, little buddy. I'm talking about big beef, dislocate your jaw kinda wide. This, that, charbroiled unicorn boy, bacon, big pig slab cut thick, sizzling for shizzling on velvet sheet of ooey gooey. Ooh, a wild, wild western bacon cheeseburger. Carl Jr. I'm calling your name. Pick up.
Episode 1178 of No BS Job Search Advice Radio. I'm your host, Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, and welcome. Welcome to Friday. I hope you enjoy your Friday. I know, I can't sing anymore. Maybe I never could, but that's a different conversation. This is a show today about 2 mistakes in networking that people make much too often. It's a short show like I normally do, just a couple of minutes, and I appreciate you investing time with us. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it helpful. I also want to mention, I haven't mentioned this for a while, if your firm would like to advertise to a market of committed job hunters, because you've got open positions, you can purchase a week of advertising from me for the show and for my other show, Job Search Radio. Love to do a read for you at the beginning of the show. Message me through LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/the Big Game Hunter. Connect with me and I'll speak with you about advertising on the show. And with that, let's get going.
Now, when people job hunt, they know they need to network. Everyone knows that, but they make 2 regular mistakes when they network. The first one is they contact their network too early, like all the people that they know really well, when they aren't clear about what it is they really want and who they want to work for. As a result, I don't want to say they blow their load, but they waste an opportunity by being imprecise. It's like saying, I'm looking for a job. What kind of job are you looking for? I want a great job. Where are I? No, you have to be specific in order to guide people who may not necessarily know exactly what you do and give them a clearer idea of what you need from them. The second mistake that people make is they never ask. They never ask for help. They never ask for advice. And they never reach out. Now, the second one is obviously the easiest one to correct. Start asking for advice and help. Start asking for support, asking for advice, asking if people can introduce you to others at firms that you'd like to work for informational interviews. There's a lot that you can do in order to ask for support. With the first one, you have to take a little time. It's why often coaches like me will suggest to people, don't rush out. Take a couple of days, think about what you really want and need. Don't contact people when you're angry at your boss or feeling hurt by being laid off. Take a little time and think about what you want and what you could use from people before reaching out. Like I said, easily correctable mistakes, but often people never do them. So I just want to make sure it was on your radar. So if this resonates for you, you can fix this.
So that's today's show. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, here are a few ways that I can help you. First of all, you can hire me to coach you throughout your job search in every way imaginable. That includes a resume and or LinkedIn profile critique, interview preparation, helping you with a salary negotiation and or networking, answering your questions about your job search, giving you advice about a decision you have to make once you have the offer. We can work in 30-minute or 1-hour increments throughout your search. And the easiest way to talk with me about it is by connecting with me at linkedin.com/IN/the Big Game Hunter. Mention that you listen to the show. I just like knowing that I'm helping folks. And once we're connected, message me that you're interested in coaching. We'll do a free discovery conversation with one another. If you're not interested in coaching and you just have a few questions, the easiest way to do it is by reaching out to me through the Magnify app for iOS. That's Magnify with an I. Or if you don't have an iOS device, if you're an Android user or you just want to call me on the phone, do it through PrestoExperts.com, where I'm a career coach and job search expert. For those of you who've been listening to the show, you know that I always talk about JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. And recently, we've been changing the focus of the site to really emphasize interviewing and answering tough interview questions. If you join, you'll have access to curated information that you can watch, listen to, or read that's designed to help you find work more quickly, as well as videos and podcasts and other information. Again, an emphasis on interviewing and answering tough interview questions. You can also take my classes on Skillshare and become a premium member using the link in the show notes and get 2 months for free instead of the 1 month that the site offers. And the last thing I want to mention to you is schedule me for lunch. I do it at 12:30 most days, and for now I'm making myself available Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for lunch at 12:30 Eastern Time. We'll meet over Zoom and be able to see one another. You bring something to eat, or if it's early for you, very simply bring some coffee with you. We'll sit and talk for 45 minutes. I'll answer your questions. That's less for $175. That's less than what I charge for comparable time for my coaching. So again, reach out to me through LinkedIn and we'll schedule a time for lunch. Have a great day. Take care.
Western bacon cheeseburger, cheese, bacon, Western bacon cheeseburger. I'm talking Carl Jr., pick it up. Western bacon cheeseburger, Carl Jr., pick it up. It's time to answer the call, little buddy. I'm talking about big beef, dislocate your jaw kinda wide. This, that, charbroiled unicorn boy, bacon, big pig slab cut thick, sizzling for shizzling on velvet sheet of ooey gooey. Ooh-wee! A wild, wild Western bacon cheeseburger. Carl Jr., I'm calling your name.